Let's create a simple mobile application for the OpenHarmony system. First, you need to download the DevEco Integrated Development Environment. It is based on JetBrains, so Android developers will immediately feel at home. Create a new project and name it. Select the API level to a minimum of 18, then select device type as phone and wearable, because we want to run our project on both a mobile phone and a smartwatch. A project template will be created with two files that serve as the entry point to the application: Entry Ability and Index, which is the main screen of the application. We will deal with the details later. Now let's try to compile the project. Open the menu, File, Settings, then OpenHarmony SDK. You will see which API versions you have downloaded. If you do not have API 18, select all options and download the necessary files by clicking Apply. Go to the File menu, Project Structure, and then Signing Configs. Select Automatically Generate Signature and Support HarmonyOS if you want the application to be able to run on a device with commercial HarmonyOS. To do this, you need to log in via the Huawei Developers website. However, if you have not connected your device before, you will see a message stating that it is not possible to create a profile. Let's connect our smartwatch. The watch must have developer mode enabled and be connected to the same network as our workstation. Go to the Tools and then IP Connection menu. Enter the IP number assigned to your watch and the port number, then click the play icon. After a moment, the watch will be connected to DevEco. Now we can generate the signing keys. Click Apply and wait a moment. Just to be sure, click File, Sync, and Refresh Project. All dependencies and project settings will be refreshed. Now you can select your connected smartwatch from the list of devices, build and run your project. Hello World!